So Meta officially released this MCP server, so finally now you can connect your ad account to ChatGPT Claude Code, and in this video we are going to specifically focus on ChatGPT. Here's the official blog post from Meta. Unfortunately, this feature may not be available to you. It's not released to all ad accounts and all locations just yet. You can currently set it up with ChatGPT, Claude Code, and Perplexity, and this is the URL we are going to use to connect. You might have seen some of those blog posts or Reddit posts where people were complaining about getting their ad accounts rejected, restricted, or they completely lost access. Now, that was before Meta officially released the MCP server. And the setup is super simple, it takes about 2 minutes. So let's do it. So the first step, you need to have ChatGPT in developer mode. Going to be super easy to turn it on, just go to ChatGPT, click on your account, and then look for settings. Then click on the apps, search for the advanced settings, and then here you can turn on developer mode. Once it's turned on, we need to create a new app, and the new app is going to be for Meta Ads MCP. So let's click here. You can customize it to your liking, you can update an icon and you can name it. I just name it Meta Ads MCP, and for the description, it's just optional, you don't need to add anything. What's important is the connection. So make sure for the connection we are using a server URL, and for the URL we'll go back and this is what we need to use. Then make sure to paste, and we don't need to change anything else. We just understand and we want to continue. So let's click on create and wait a second. And next you'll see this tab where we have to sign in with Meta Ads MCP. This is the app we just created. So let's click here and it's going to take you to your Facebook. So I just switch into my personal. Now for me it's going to be a reconnect because I already set it up. But if I click on edit settings, this is going to be the first tab you see. Now you have two options here. You can opt into all current and future pages, or you can just select the ones you need to use. So in my example, I just selected 2 Facebook pages. Let's hit continue. And again, you need to select the businesses you want to connect the MCP to. So again, I'll select my own business and the client account as well. Now we can go and continue. And same step for the Instagram accounts. We need to select the Instagram accounts we want to pull data from. Then continue, review what you selected and you can save your data. Once it's ready, you'll see this tab. ChatGPT has been connected to Ads MCP server. Once you got it, you can go back to ChatGPT. And once it's connected, you see the date it was connected on, the URL, and everything else. You see the developer mode is activated. So you can go back and start a new conversation. Now, if I click on the plus icon, the MCP already shows up. So let's use MCP2. And you can just send one prompt to AI. For example, let's use this prompt, list which ad accounts and business assets are connected. Now, before we start using this and relying on MCP only, you still need to have accurate tracking on your ad account. So you need to make sure your pixel was set up correctly, your attribution is not delayed. You also need to give full context for the AI. So are you running a webinar funnel? Are you converting outside of Facebook? Are you redirecting to a URL, to a funnel, how the funnel looks like? So make sure to give proper context to the AI. And then you still need a basic meta ads understanding because AI can't replace a media buyer. It can't replace you if you can't ask the proper questions. So you still need to know what you are doing. Here are a couple of use cases where you can take advantage of the MCP. For example, with the weekly, daily or monthly reporting, daily decisions as well on which ads to scale, which ads to kill. And then also you can set up, for example, a creative iteration. So based on the winning ads, you can create an agent that's going to make 10 iteration of your top ads every morning. So by the time you wake up, you have 10 new ads. I think this would be cool to show in another video. You can also use it for catalog management, campaign management, review activity logs, and I also included a quick prompt that you can use for your ad account that's going to analyze your data and give you a couple of next steps on what to change. Now here's a quick report I just pulled with the MCP server. This is an overview of what's working, what's wasting ad spend, and then a couple of next steps we can do. Here is where the funnel is breaking, some new ideas, and also what the AI will suggest right now. So you can definitely utilize the Meta MCP server in your daily workflow. It's especially helpful if you work as a freelancer and you manage multiple ad accounts. It's going to save you so much time with the reporting, with the ad management, and the decision making. So it's definitely going to speed up your process. And if you would like to see more videos like this, in the future I'm going to talk about how you can pull the reports, and then we'll also see how we can connect Meta Ads to Claude. So stay tuned for those videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.